Hey guys, China-based smartphone manufacturing company Vivo Mobiles is launching the most awaited Vivo V17 Pro in India and other Asian countries. This smartphone comes with a triple rear camera on the back along with a dual pop-up camera on the front. It is expected that the company will launch this mobile in October, which is a Diwali function period in India and other countries in the month of November 2019. The expected price will be $450 in the international market and $27,000 to $30,000 in India. Coming to the specification of this phone, the Vivo Pro comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED notchless display which gives users an immersive display experience. The V17 Pro, just like V15 Pro, will get an AMOLED display will give you amazing display experience. It packs a MediaTek Helio P65 processor coupled with 6GB of RAM and 8GB variant is also available. The rumors is that this V17 Pro will come with a MediaTek Helio P65. Another rumor is that this phone will be powered by Snapdragon 730G. The Vivo V17 Pro has a triple rear camera setup on the rear side consisting of 48MP main primary sensor, which is a Sony IMX586 sensor with 16MP of wide angle lens and 5MP of depth sensor. In the front, this device has a dual pop-up camera, which is a unique feature of this app. The dual pop-up selfie camera will host a 32MP sensor along with an 8MP wide angle lens to take wide selfies. The Vivo V17 Pro drives the energy from 5000 mAh of battery with fast charging support. The device also comes with the quick charge support for fast battery charging. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor and other security option includes face unlock. The connectivity options are USB Type-C, there is Bluetooth version 5, GPS, Wi-Fi and hotspot. This device has got everything you desire in a great smartphone. So this is all about the Vivo V17 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to comment on Vivo V17 Pro expected features, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.